Hey everybody, this is Diana Shepard at Alexis Information Systems, and I'm filling in for Denise today. So for today's video, we wanted to do something a little bit different, maybe a little bit fun to help you create content for your social media and your website. Right now, GIFs are very popular, and you go through the GIFs that are available online and you can't ever find something that's quite what you want. So now you don't have to use what somebody else has got for you. You can make your own using PowerPoint slides. So the first thing you need to do is open up PowerPoint and put all of your images into a PowerPoint presentation in the proper order. You need to take the steps to make sure that your slides are all the same size and your image is located in the same place, so that when the frames flip through, you're not going to have a lot of shifting. You're just going to have the animation. So once you have your images arranged in your presentation, you want to save the presentation as GIF files. So now comes the fun part. Do a search for an animated GIF maker online. There are several free ones out there. Then what you'll do is you'll upload your GIF files and then just follow the directions for your settings and then hit the button. And alakazam! It's alive! So thanks for watching today, and come back and see us soon. Bye.